Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Trails. So today I'll be unboxing the Mi Step Out backpack which I have purchased from the mi.com online store, which is priced at rupees 249 only in the mi.com online store. So let's find out how's the bag, and depending upon the price whether it is worth buy or value for money or not. So I'll be unboxing in front of you, so keep watching the video. So here you can see the Mi Step Out backpack. I have ordered a blue color one. So as you can see, the MRP price of this backpack is 499. So if you purchase it online via mi.com, you can get it for rupees 249. But as you already know that if you purchase anything less than 500, then you have to pay a delivery charge of rupees 50, that is the shipping charge. So total I have to pay total 299. So let's find out whether it's worth buying for rupees 299 or not. So we'll find out the quality of this bag. I'll keep the plastic on the side. So as you can see, the bag itself, as you can see here, the leaflets. So you can see here the materials that is being that is 100% polyester, that is fabric. Lining is 100% polyester. So you can see the size, and the color I have purchased is the dark blue. You can see the MRP 2 in here. So that's all about this listing on this stickers. So we'll check out how's the inner part. As you can see, the inner part is almost like a polyester, so it is a little bit splash proof, but don't expect it to be waterproof totally. Yes, it can withstand some rains drops, but you can see the space inside. So you get a two space to put your things inside it. The first is the bigger one, so in the above side also you will get some features, that is some minor pockets to put your day-to-day stuffs. So this bag is good if you're going for a outside, but don't expect it to carry a lots of stuffs under it, as the bag is not so big. As you can see, it is of medium size, but as per as the price, I will definitely say that the bag is really good quality. Even you see the strips, there is a sponge under it, so while carrying also you don't hurt your shoulders. So let me show you some You can keep the diary, books, and some clothes under it. And on the front side also you can keep lots of stuff like pens, mobile chargers, even all things. So let me show you by chipping the pouch. So as you can see, the bag, it's almost like 1, 2, 3. It's almost my 3 fingers, so you can expect it like 3 fingers. So don't expect it to put a bigger laptop on this bag, but the 13-inch laptop bags will definitely fit under it. But if you have a 15-inch or bigger than that, you don't fit on this bag. But for the day-to-days, for the casual, if you're going for outside to step out somewhere, I think this bag is a old buying, definitely for rupees 249. So there's more colors in the me.com that you can purchase online, so you go and check it out, and I have linked the purchase link below in the video descriptions too. And if you find this video information helpful, please click on the thumbs like button, and like always, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.